Hi there, students. Esteem. Esteem can be both a noun and a verb. As a noun, esteem is normally uncountable. So, esteem as a noun, respect, good opinion, high regard, to have a favourable opinion of. And as a verb, to regard with respect, to have a good opinion of someone. So I hold him in great esteem. I esteem him greatly. I have the highest esteem for my viewers. Okay, so esteem, a good opinion of. Now, you can also use the verb to esteem, meaning to regard, to consider, to judge, your opinion. But this is much more formal. I esteem this to be a bad idea. Okay, that's quite a formal use of the verb to esteem. What do you esteem as the best way to proceed with this matter? I esteem this as one of the most useful things anybody has ever done for me. So, to regard, to consider, to have the opinion of, but more normally to esteem, to have a good opinion of. When he offered to pay the bill, he went up in my esteem. To go up in somebody's esteem, or to go down in somebody's esteem. Or you could start a speech. Esteemed colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so esteem, a noun, respect, admiration. As a verb, to respect, to admire. Or as a verb more formally, to consider, to deem. Okay, so we have the phrase self-esteem. He has low self-esteem. He has a bad opinion of himself. He doesn't value himself enough. Okay, so to esteem, to respect, to value, to prize, even to cherish. Notice, to esteem is a regular verb. He esteemed me greatly. He has esteemed all of the work that you have done. Okay, to hold in great esteem, I would probably give this a 6.5 in formality. I don't think I would use it in an informal conversation. I have great respect for you. Respect. I have a good opinion of you. It's a nice and easy informal way of saying it, but for something semi-formal or very formal, definitely. And then with this meaning, I esteem this is the best course of action. I deem, I think, I'd probably give this something like a 7.5 in formality, maybe even 8. I think informally. Something semi-formal or very formal. Okay, what about the origin of this? Well, in French, there's a verb estimer, to have an opinion of, and that in turn comes from Latin, aestimo, to value, to rate, to estimate. And clearly this verb to esteem, or the noun, is linked to the word estimate, opinion. What's your estimate of this? Okay, so to esteem, to have a good opinion of, or the opposite, to disesteem. I'm thinking he disesteemed my application. He rejected it. Maybe it's possible as well. So anyway, there you go. To esteem. Esteem as an uncountable noun. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Esteem.